Hey everybody, welcome to Southern Comfort Cove. Today we're going to show you how to use the remote control for this light and fan. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the switch for the remote is turned on. That will give this fan power. Then on the remote, you can turn the fan light on and off by clicking the light button. You can change the brightness of it by pressing the up and down buttons. You can also, if you're feeling crazy, change the color of the light. To turn on the fan, just press the on-off button for the fan. And similarly, you can adjust the speed to go faster or to go slower. If you just want a nice gentle breeze, you can click this breeze button and it will just give it a slow turn. And there is also a timer setting for 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours if you want it to turn off all by itself. If you do want to reverse the spin of the blades, you can press or hold the summer or winter button for 3 seconds, and that will turn it in the opposite direction. So we'll turn this back off by clicking the light button to turn the light off, and the fan button. Similarly, you can press the all button to turn everything on or off together. And if you just want to leave the fan and the light on and control it from the light switch, you can do that too.